In today's video, let's talk about how to make your Android battery last 2 days. Welcome back everyone to this new video. Now there are a bunch of things that you can do in this situation. Let me show you a few important ones that you can try out. The first one is you can straight away turn on the battery saver or the power saver mode on your device. You do not need to wait for your battery to get low in order to turn this option on. So this is the first thing that you can try out. The second one is going to be to turn on the dark mode. So if you're currently using light mode on your device, you may be able to see the option called dark mode being displayed on the control center. If it is not on the control center, you can head over to your display settings, and right here you should be able to see the option called dark mode. So make sure you toggle this option on. And the last thing that you can do, which is a main one, is if you are a heavy social media user, you can restrict your social media background users. So for example, you can tap and hold the Instagram application, head over to app info. Once you're inside, head over to data users and make sure that the background data is restricted. So once you do these three things, you should be able to make your battery last more. So these are a few things that you can try out. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.